One more try, because this time the alarm light came on. So, key in the ignition, turn it on. And there's the security light flashing. I'm going to leave it for 15 minutes. 6:30, be out here in 15 minutes.